Alright guys, it's your boy JP. I got an issue. Here's my issue. This key will not come out of this ignition, right? It's just stuck. Now, I noticed that when I was actually let me turn it back on. Alright, so just got done putting this radio inside this 2003 Hummer H2. And when I took this out, I've noticed that the key is stuck in the ignition. Now, this is not the first time that this has happened. So I did a little research and come to find out, strange enough, that the problem is actually under here. So one thing, if you guys ever run into this, we're going to pull this all the way back. And this is the T15 Torx that's right here inside the handle. We're going to go ahead and take that out. Go ahead and remove the dash. It's only held in by clips. And you guys see this harness right here? I want y'all to listen once I move this harness. You guys hear that? That little click. Turns out that this little pink wire that's right here, I don't know if that can focus any better, but that pink wire right there is a wire that I guess goes to the ignition switch. And if it's loose or if it has a short in it, then that key will get stuck because it's not recognizing something. But let's hold this up and let's see. Boom. Now I was able to get my key out. So it's not necessarily, now there is one thing that the dealer was saying. The dealer was saying that a lot of times in these Hummers, if they have a totally dead battery, then this has a locking mechanism in it that the key will get locked in there if the battery's dead. First of all, GM, y'all need to fix that. That's horrible. But after going on some forums and watching a couple videos, this right here has a short in it. So if you guys ever come across that problem to where your key is stuck in the ignition, see, now we should be good. Boom. And my theory on how that keeps getting stuck is, you see when you press this back, now watch that harness. If that harness goes all the way back, it hits against this bar right here, and I'm assuming that that wire is either getting pinched or it's just creating a short in it every time it actually hits that. And that's only when you put it in drive. So when you put it in drive, this wiring harness is hitting this bar every time. And I don't know if that pin's loose, if it's out, but either way, it's that pink wire right there. So if that becomes depinned, then it will not take this out. But since I touched it or whatever, now we're good. So this is JP's Audio 08, hoping that I help somebody, because this has been really messing with my brain ever since I started working on these Hummers. But I hope that helped you guys out.